Good afternoon, Indira Shah here. Today I just want to show you an authentic sweet item of India. I can say every part of India they make this. It's called as Badusha. It's an excellent sweet that can be made very easily. Okay, for Badusha you need, here I have taken 1 cup of flour, that is maida I have taken, and then half of it is curd, and then 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Now what, and then half a spoon of soda. Okay, now what I need to do is, we need to make a tight dough with all these things. Okay, you need not add water. If you think you need water, you can add little water and make a tight dough. In the meantime, you need to make a sugar syrup, 1 string consistency. I have taken 1 cup of sugar, add just half a cup of water. Okay, and bring it to boil. It should be 1 thread consistency. I'll just show you. Here, you can see this is 1 string consistency. I have added here, I have added few strands of saffron here and a little red color. This is an organic red color, and see, it should be 1 string consistency. I'll just show you here. It should be 1 string. Okay. See, here the dough. After mixing the dough, we had to soak it at least for an hour. See, this is soaked for an hour. This is the all-purpose flour. Now, see, you need to fold it like this. Here, see, folding is very, very necessary. Here, fold it like this, because only then, when you do the badusha, badusha will have lots of folding. So that is why we need to fold the dough. You have to soak the dough. Okay, you have to rest it at least minimum for half an hour. Now take a small portion, like this, fold again fold and press, fold and press, fold and press. Fold and press. Here, press and fold, because the more folding it has, badusha will turn very good. See, it's not sticking. Okay, now what you do is, you can take a ball. This is as big as a lemon. Okay, now make a depression like this here. Okay, make a depression like this. In the meantime, you have to keep oil for frying. Here, the oil should not be very hot. Okay, it should not give fumes. It should be just hot to fry the badushas. Okay, otherwise what happens, the badusha will be fried outside, but the inside one will be just raw. Trust me, this is a sweet that is usually prepared for Diwali. I can say it's a must in our in the Indian culture. Every state you can see preparing badusha or balu shahi, whatever the name is. In Karnataka we call it as badusha. You please try making this. This is very easy. This will be very, very sweet. Very sweet. Sorry, very nice. Size according to your this thing. If you want a big badusha, you can make big, or if you want a small badusha, you can make a small one. It's the choice is yours. Kneading and resting is very important. You have to knead as I showed you. See, you can see the badusha. Let's just fry them for some more time. It should be nice pink. Then we have to drop them in the sugar syrup. Here, now I'll drop them in the sugar syrup. Sugar syrup should be hot but not the boiling point, okay? We have to soak them in sugar syrup. Here, the badusha or balu shahi is ready. Trust me, this will be very tasty. I've just allowed them to soak for some more time. After about 5 minutes, you can just remove it and eat it. Trust me, this is very easy, will be very tasty. You can prepare it for this Diwali. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell button and the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Hope to see you preparing badusha and give me your feedback. Thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Indira with Vela.